Today I'm going to teach you how to upload a file or image onto Google Drive and then how to share it with somebody. So first you're going to want to find that picture or file that you want to upload and share. In my case it's going to be this picture on my desktop, whereas for you it might be within a folder, and if it's within a folder you'll need to remember how to get to that picture or file. So once you've found it, then you're going to want to go to your browser and open up a new tab, and you'll go to drive.google.com. And you'll log in if you aren't logged in. You'll click on New, and then you'll go to File Upload, and then it'll let you select what you want to upload. So if yours is within a folder, you'll need to go find that, and then once you find it, you'll just select it, like I've done right here. And then you'll click on Open, and it'll pop up this little uploading dialog box. And you'll see down here in the bottom right corner, that little circle will change to a green check mark. And see, it did that, and we've got it on my desktop, so I can close it here. And then you can double click if you have a Mac, or right click if you have a PC. Go to Share, and then you can type in the name or the email address for the person that you want to share it with. So in my case it'll be my husband. You can click on that, and then you hit Send. And then you're all done.